The votes are in. Will it be digital, hand-colored, or both? Grab your pen and paper. It's time for Draw TV. So the votes are in, and I use the votes from Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, and emails and whatever. And this drawing is going to be both. It's going to be digitally colored, and I'll also do a hand-colored version. But on today's program, we're going to focus on the digital coloring piece, and then next week you'll get to see the hand-colored piece. But before we begin, I want to show you some cool stuff. As you know, I make a book called Devil Bat, that guy back there, see? And I was surprised at how well it sold and how many people are looking for more issues of it. And I'm sorry it's taken a while to get back to it. I'm only one guy. I'm not a production studio. You see, I'm just one guy doing all this. So, good news coming out at the end of this month, May 2018, Devil Bat issue number 2. This is the cover, what it'll look like. We'll have, when it's done, it'll have the logo and all the cool stuff added. And that's it right there. And just a brief glimpse at some of the pages. Glimpsey. Oh yeah, you saw that. You know what you saw. Glimpse. And if you're following me on Instagram, you've probably already seen these. If you're not following me on Instagram and Facebook, you need to do that today. Another glimpse. Alright. And there's one more glimpse. And that'll do it because I don't want to give away everything. Speaking of giving away things, my brother did not give me this, but he did purchase it and he let me borrow it. I have this on cassette. I bought it at Sound Shop in Columbia, Tennessee, at the Shady Brook Mall back in the 80s, well, late 80s, early 90s, maybe 1990, maybe. But he let me borrow this Deep Purple, Made in Japan live record. Oh my gosh, what an incredible live album. And I will have to give this back to my brother soon, but I'm going to listen to it 8 million times before I give it back. This is so cool. Music, just incredible. And I can't play the music on here because of copyright, blah, 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 blah. And speaking of music, make sure you go to Facebook and find The Four Barrel Funeral. This is their album Hot Rod Casket. You can hear most of this on YouTube. I think you can hear the whole album on YouTube. But I would rather you go to Facebook and talk to the guys and get you a copy of this. This is an incredibly well-made rock record. It comes across kind of as if hillbillies were doing punk rock with kind of a southern rock feel to it. And most of pretty much every song on here is monster oriented. And it's real nice. They hired me to do the graphics, but that doesn't matter. It's just really good music. I kind of wish I hadn't done the graphics, because whenever I tell them how good their music is, they just kind of look at me and go, "Oh, that's because you were doing the graphics." No, the music's just fantastic. And this is their album Hot Rod Casket. They have an album out right now called Kill 'Em Twice, and you can get that from them on Facebook as well. Just look for Facebook, and then look for The Four Barrel Funeral. Funeral, like a funeral parlor, funeral home, funeral. Got it? Okay, great. And I'm sure you're really tired of me rambling. If you're not, I don't care. Please enjoy the show, because I'm about to do some coloring. So, here we go. Hey gang, and welcome to this week's Draw TV. As promised, I will be... Let's try that again. Have you recently lost interest in your favorite comic heroes? Do the current stories make you feel bored, restless, even lethargic? Are you reading back issues out of the 50-cent bin more often than not? Friends, you are not alone. There are thousands just like you, and the cure is Devilbat. Devilbat is a 48-page adventure comic by Vance Capley, released by Visual Comics and available through Lulu.com. Side effects include lack of sleep, increased adrenaline, antsiness for the next story, and really wanting to buy more Devilbat merchandise. Ask your comic shop if Devilbat is available for you, or get your copy at Lulu.com. Isn't it time for good comics again? Let Devilbat start you on that journey today.